York next month, and I'm off to St Lucia in October.
Well, hopefully a car.
A holiday to Morocco.
Don't go out drinking every weekend.
Well, yeah, staying in.
I used to literally put a tenner away each week into a separate bank account.
You have to consciously think, what am I not going to spend on?
Yeah.
And also, as soon as your paycheck comes in, put that little lump away in a savings account so you don't see it, you don't miss it.
I put a certain percentage of my pay away in a long-term deposit that doesn't get touched. Don't touch it. That's the way I do it, yeah.
Inside your house, next to your front door, a bowl that you put your change into. I tell you, when I started doing that, I don't know what it was, but all my finances completely changed.
I'm too impulsive, you know? So you have to have cool mind and you have to be responsible to know when to stop.
My extravagant purchases are mostly holidays.
Last year, probably a bike.
It was this Nicole Fari coat.